Hi, Assalamualaikum Gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, Assalamualaikum Gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. Welcome. Hi, Assalamualaikum Gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Najwa, and if you're new here, hi. I welcome you to my channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded any videos. 2 weeks, few weeks. Because usually I upload like twice per week, but then decreased to once per week because it's been crazy time for me and I have to take care of my mental health. So now that we're here again, hi, my name is Najwa and I am a makeup lover. I love to try different kind of makeups. I love arts, and sometimes I do drawing, sometimes I do diamond painting, something like that, and most of the time I do makeup. And if you're a makeup lover like me, why not go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So anyway, without further ado, let's jump straight ahead to this video. Okay, first thing first, I apply face primer by Maybelline. Never do makeup without primer, okay? Prime your face, it is important. Then I take m.a.c Cosmetics face and body palette and apply the black paint on my brows. Recently, I'm really into black brows look. I think this color suits my brow hair the most and I really like it. I understand that it's not everyone's preference, so if you prefer to use brown or gray color for your brows, go ahead and do so. Next, I apply Dermacol Concealer Code 213 to define my brows and also prime my eyelids. As usual, I'm just gonna disappear for a while to do makeup on one of my eyes.
5 minutes later.
I'm back! Starting off, I take James Charles X Morphe palette and apply white eyeshadows only on my brow bone. Next, I apply this beautiful super pigmented electric blue eyeshadows from NYX Ultimate Bright palette, starting from on top of the inner corner, almost close to my nose bridge, to the half of my crease, if it makes sense. Then I combine these two shades of yellows and fill in the rest of my crease up until the outer corner of my eyes. Once you blend the middle of the colors together, you will see that the green color starting to show. For my lower lashes, I apply the blue shadows along my lower lashes. Then I apply the yellow shadows below the blue and blend those two colors together. After that, I apply black matte eyeshadows by m.a.c from my crease to my lower lashes and also creating wing effect at the outer corner of my eyes. Then I use a small fluffy art brush to blend all the colors smoothly. Time for cut crease. I use the same concealer by Dermacol and a flat synthetic brush to apply concealer on my lid. Then I apply the yellow shadows on the half of my lid using a shader brush. Once that is done, I apply the blue shadows on half of the outer corner of my eye. Blend the edges smoothly. If you feel like the color starting to fade, just add more layers. On the outer corner, I add the black eyeshadows and sharpen the edges for that dramatic look. Then I add yellow paint on the yellow shadows. This is to make sure that once I add another layer of yellow, the color will look even more vibrant. go ahead and apply yellow shadows again. As you can see, I keep getting back and forth to reapply more color here and there because I want the look to be super intense. But if you prefer more subtle look, you don't have to do this step. It's totally fine. For the eyeliner, I'm taking a liquid eyeliner by m.a.c and create a simple wing liner. As for the rest of my eyes, I use a pencil eyeliner by Maybelline and line both my upper and lower waterlines. Before I finish up my eye makeup, I'm gonna just go ahead and do my face because if I apply falsies now, I will hate it when the loose powder just drop and mess up my falsies later. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. As usual, I use my favorite foundation, which is by Phoera Beauty, and apply it using a damp beauty sponge. To cover up some blemishes and discoloration on my face, I apply the same concealer that I've used earlier. Then blend it with the same beauty sponge. To set my base, I dab my whole face with a loose powder by Revlon. Next, I take the contour palette by NYX and start chisel out those chubby cheeks. You know, it's very chubby and cute and chubby. I also contour my nose to make it look more slender. As for my blush, I'm just applying these bright orange shadows from Morphe 35OM palette. I am being very careful when applying these shadows because it is super bright, so pigmented, and I don't want to end up looking like I just got a slap on my face. Now that the face is done, I go back to the eye makeup and start curling my lashes. Today I use a volumized mascara by C Code. Apparently this mascara is not a good quality because it dries slowly and definitely not a waterproof one. The only thing that I like about it is its stick is shorter compared to other brands, thus it is easier to control it. If you're looking for drugstore mascara, I would suggest you to try out Essence Cosmetics, Maybelline, or Rimmel. So anyways, I apply several coats of mascara on both top and lower lashes. Then I stick a demi-wispy falsies using some lash glue by Koji on top of my upper lashes. To complete the eye look, I add a yellow line on each of the outer corner of my eyes using Fenty Beauty Neon Eyeliner Coat Banana Blaze. For my lips, I apply the nude pink lip cream by Huda Beauty in the coat Gossip Girl. To make my lips look plump and fresh, I layer up with Young and Glow X Nilofa Lip Gloss code $1 Million. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. The makeup look is done. Thank you so much for spending some of your time to watch this video. If you like to support me to do more content on my channel, I highly suggest you to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up so I know that you enjoy it. Stay safe, be kind, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!